Hey guys, it is Saturday evening here in West Virginia, and as promised, we're kind of doing another extra video this week because I've gotten so many things in at one time that I'm trying to get videos done on them before I forget. So tonight we're doing a car that I've had, I don't know, several times the past couple of months. I've got them and sold them, found 4 of them on the pegs, ordered a set of the Boulevard set, and then sold the complete set to somebody that wanted the whole set of them. At that time, I was going to keep the car. Then I just decided no hope in keeping it, and then I started collecting these white Nissans. So I picked up another one off eBay and pretty much paid a premium for it, like I sold mine for. I think I paid like 18 bucks plus shipping for it. Yeah, a little higher than SRP, but that's what I sell mine for. So hey, I can't really say I've paid too much, just kind of got it back when I needed it. It was kind of like a loan or something, I guess you could say. So anyways, this is your LB-ER34 Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline. That's a big name. So this first appeared in the Mountain Drifter set in the actual livery that they use at LBWK, with the red and black and the LBWK across the side. The top half of the car is red, the bottom part's black. They actually did an S15, I think, like that too, or they did an ER34 in the white with the yellow lightning bolt style tampo on the side. I think that's the case. I think they did the ER34 in the number 23 white with yellow paint job to match your S15. But anyways, I got this guy because he's predominantly white, minus the black hood and bumper covers. But besides that, it's white. So picked him up. Here's card art. I may have done a quick video on these, maybe one of the shorts, I'm not sure. But the card art's kind of nice, matches the car fairly good. And then on the back side, you see what was in this set: the Mustang, the Caddy, and the Dodge Van, and the Subaru STI, and the ER34. And the only one that I did keep out of that whole set up until I picked this up again was the Dodge Van, and it's over in my other display case where all the white Nissans are. I forgot about that one being in this set. So anyways, let's get this guy cracked open, which I've already cracked it open before because it's been in the case for, I don't know, a week or two now, just getting around to doing a video on it. So looking at this guy in detail, it has nice tampos on it, has the trademark phrase, "Imagine all the people living life in peace," printed on the door. LB Performance on the side skirts, LBWK on the side skirt, and let me zoom in a little bit to help keep from it getting out of focus. The Nismo on the side skirt and such, LBWK in red. And then you have Skyline on the rear flare. LBWK once again on the rear bumper cover. And it is very nicely done car from Hot Wheels. The rear air diffuser, the kind of wrapped around wing, I kind of call them like the TRD, like Toyota Racing Department style wing, like that's on the Supras. The outlet for exhaust is cut in the center of the side skirt, right below the middle of the passenger door. We'll just say left side door, because of the difference in the car culture thing with Japanese cars being right-hand drive, which this one is. Looks good with the gold 5 spokes, the big front air dam, and all of these features of these boxy wide body kit with the big front spoiler, the big overkill air diffuser, are typical things of that 80s, like R30, R31 super silhouette that they used to run in racing. So this is kind of a nostalgic looking body kit. LBWK on the hood, Nissan on the hood, and then the Nissan Skyline, the banner sticker on the windshield is also nostalgic with that kind of look. Was on the 80s R30 and R31. And as you can see, cool with the red cage, kind of does a nice contrast to break things up. On the red and black one, the cage is yellow. That also adds a nice contrast. So pretty cool casting. Excuse me. So we're going to put him back down there in the graffitied up wall there with the car. Looks really cool in that pic. And then, anyways, we'll be back again come Monday with a Mopar Monday. Not sure what Mopars we're going to do. Maybe a couple of A bodies, a couple darts that we haven't done yet that I have from Auto World. Maybe we'll give those their 15 minutes of fame come Monday. So be sure to switch back to our channel on Monday and check that out. And then I appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.